G'day everyone. Well, for today's autopsy I figured we'd have a look inside one of these industrial fuses. This is I believe it's an Australian 3-phase fuse. It's 315 amps at 500 volts, 120 Ka, made by Weber, not the barbecue company. Let's look at the technical details on it. So these ones are actually held together only by screws, so you can just pull them all out and get inside them, which is what I'm doing. It's fairly water damaged and corroded, so it would be deemed unusable by power companies and any factories. But yeah, the caps just slide off. These metal end plates, which I'm not sure if it's aluminium or magnesium. They're fairly lightweight, but you got a paper gasket there designed to trap moisture. Obviously not if the whole thing gets submerged in this case. And you got sand, which is the sand in a fuse is designed to catch the bits of molten metal and stop it burning holes through the ceramic casing, because in the event of a meltdown that will get really hot, like glowing red hot, as it fails. So get all that sand out of there. There's a little bits of other ceramic and stuff. All of the other HV fuses I've been opening up, I just dump all the sand into that can. But just twist it and pull out. It's fairly thick ceramic casing, as you can see. Also designed to catch molten metal and protect against leakage. And there's what the fuse elements look like. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Obviously, because it's 315 amps, it's got to protect against a motor burnout or something. So it's fairly big stuff. You got these little lumps of solder on the end there, are designed to be a failure point. What happens is when this thing glows red hot, that melts and basically burns through the strip and causes it to melt and fail. And each of these right in the middle have got it on them. And also those perforations there as well are designed to act as fail points for the fuse when it overamps. But it's brass blades to slot into its switchboard. And as you can see, it's all corroded, nasty. But this one's fairly easy to get into. I know a lot of the big high tension ones use the ends are pressed on, and they're very hard to get into. You've got to use an angle grinder or something, which some of my other rounder ones, I will do a video on cutting them open, but it's fairly labour intensive and not really worth it for the amount of silver that's in them. It's I'm not sure if the wire is silver or copper. It's normally just copper these days because they're cheapskates in terms of making these things. But that's all that's inside a HV fuse. Metal end caps, your fuse element, and your casing. Thanks for watching.